Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to set up Binance Futures account, only way. Open your Binance app and complete email verification, then set a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. Next, upload your ID and a clear selfie to finish identity verification so futures access and higher limits are enabled. Finally, secure your account recovery methods and record backup codes in a safe place for future access. Start by transferring fiat or crypto into your Binance Spot wallet and confirm arrival. Convert holdings to USD or BUSD since most futures pairs use stablecoin margin. Use the wallet transfer button to move stablecoins from Spot to your futures wallet and check balances before opening a position. Always double-check the coin, chain, and tag when depositing to avoid permanent loss, and consider starting with a small test transfer first. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort and durability, perfect while monitoring trades or coding strategies. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Choose leverage carefully and remember higher leverage increases liquidation risk quickly, so start low. Use isolated margin for trades where you want to cap exposure to a single position instead of sharing risk across your account. Always set stop-loss orders and monitor maintenance margin levels to avoid unexpected liquidations. Consider practicing on testnet or with small sizes until you can consistently manage position sizing and risk controls comfortably.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.